Hello.
Hi, Bryle.
Hello pala. Hello.
What is that, Bryle?
It's a corn.
It's a corn. You love eating corn, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Suck.
It's hot?
Yeah. Yes, it's
You wait until it's cold so that you can eat properly.
eat properly.
Yeah.
Yes. Mama.
Yes.
Suck. Suka. Look at that. What is that?
What is that?
It's corn.
It's a corn.
It's yellow.
What the color?
Yellow.
Yellow? No, it's not a yellow. It's a red.
No, it's a yellow.
It's a red.
It's a yellow.
It's a red.
No.
No. You're right. You're right.
Yellow.
The color is yellow.
What? Yay. Look at. Ah.
Mmm. It's super delicious. Yeah? Huh? It's
Yeah.
super delicious. Yummy? Yummy.
That's the problem.
What?
I just put it.
Do you want to buy again? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? You have your money?
No.
No. How can you buy without money? We cannot eat without money. No, you just sit there and then answer all my questions.
What?
What? How old are you? What happened?
So good.
What? What happened? It's hot? It's hot. How old are you, Dong?
What?
How old are you?
What?
3.
Before they died.
3 years old.
Before they died. Ah.
What is your name?
Before they said I'm not that good.
What is your name? Hey, talking to me. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
A corner has.
Your name is Corn. Is you? No, your name is Bryle. Bryle. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Yummy?
I'm a subscribe, Mama. Subscribe. Bye-bye. Dana.
Bye-bye. Please subscribe. Anak lugar. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Grace Makilan. Thank you.